Well, it is said no problem is big or small. It's just how we see towards it. If we think the problem will be big, if we think the problem will be small, isn't it? Of course, it is like that. In the same way, we will see what Blender has to offer in the area of scale. Now, this is the default view which we are going to view in the Blender. Now, if you hit S for scale, S, your cursor will be changed, and if you drag your mouse without clicking anything, you can change the scale of the object. And if you want to fix it, just click over it, it will be fixed. Ctrl Z. If you want to scale it only in x-axis, this is the wonderful thing. Now the great thing is going to start from here on. The Blender developers have provided wonderful features, like if I tap S, I am getting scaled, but if I tap X, I can scale it on x-axis. If I tap Y, I can scale it on y-axis. If I tap Z, I can scale it on z-axis. And if you one more thing is that if I scale it by mistake and I don't want to fix the scale, I can just right click and it will go back to where it was. With that being said and done, one of the most wonderful things that Blender developers have given is that Shift X Y Z. What is that? S for scaling. If you tap Shift and Z, Shift Z, you can scale it in Z plane. In the same way, Shift X, you can scale it in X plane, and Shift Y, you can scale it in Y plane. Isn't that wonderful? It's great. It's awesome. So with that being said and done, now if I want to reset everything, I can just hit Alt and S. It will get back to where it was initially. That's how you can scale an object in Blender. So see it, try it, learn it. Until then, I will meet you in the next video. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you want to support me, you can go on the Patreon link, will be given in the description. There you can support me wholeheartedly, isn't it? Of course it is. Until then, goodbye.